one of the weird worries that come with climate change that a lot of even climate activists don't really realize it, is that it's definitely an indigenous people's issue. So many Pacific Islands fought for independence, and what happens if our islands go? Like, where do we go? Where do they go? Coming back to countries that try to colonize them, it's almost like recolonizing what we tried to fight so hard not to get. And so that it's in itself is like a whole nother level of why we should be fighting against seabed mining and against climate change, especially when it only benefits people who are rich and who are powerful, and not everyday people like you and me, or like so many other people in this country. It's about doing what's best for not just those in power, but for everyone else as well.
Talofa, everyone. It's Shirl'e here, and you're listening